with another video. As you guys know, you saw something there which you shouldn't see right now. So today's topic about indicators. So these are the yellow ones, and I am back here in Bangalore, so now I can work on the bike. So moving on till here, we have something special for the bike, which is like bright red indicators which we'll be putting on this bike. So this here, as you can see, I'll be replacing this indicator lenses to red. So yeah, so first thing you'll be needing, since I don't know, I have a flathead here, but just take a flathead if any of these screws, because most mechanics replace these two flatheads. As you can see, I have all stars. So first thing, and the bestest thing to do, is to have some bag like this. To have a bag like this to put your screws so they don't miss. So first, we'll start out from the front side. So now we'll be removing here. Okay, the screws aren't rusted out. I removed one to keep them safely. These are the type of screws which you use in wood, because most plastic casings comes in those type of screws. We have here got another one. So only thing, my upper part, since I have magnetic screwdriver, as you can see. So this only the upper part has been a little corroded. Bring it close, the camera is not focusing. Okay, fine. As you can see, your upper part has been like little corroded or something. So now I'll just keep them here, or you can see they roll over. So what I do is check this back and put these in here. So while working on vehicles, that's an idea. So now I have this red lens which I'll be changing. As you can see, I don't know why they have installed an yellow bulb, but that bulb, this is not the original RD lens. This is the original RX lens. This has a lot of more weight. You can feel the weight like instantly kicking in. So yeah, but I wanted to look for temporary, but this lenses are temporarily. I'll be switching back to yellow. So I'm going to keep this, and we'll take our two screws. So we'll take our two screws and our red lens. If you want, I can put this description link for the red lens. So now I have this red color lens, which I have to line it up perfectly, and now we'll be taking a screw. These screws, can be okay. I'll be tightening them. One tight, you can tight just till it hangs on, and tight the bottom. So you don't like uneven pressure on these, because you're screwing into plastic, and if you get a cracked plastic, we need to replace this entire assembly. to. You don't tight these too much. Still snap just little. See, this still snap till little and it's tight. So I'll just do finishing all rest 3 of these. If you want to take it, just this is how the bike looks. We start the bike and we'll see. I'll turn on the right front one. I'll turn on the right front. You can see I started on the bike. It's red, though looks better. It's not that bright, since I have weaker battery, but that's how bright will be in an RT350. So let me finish all 4 of the others and I'll come back to you. Indicators fixed on the bike, as you can see, red all around the bike, red and red. Only thing which is not red is this and the big thing. It looks big for you, but here it looks little smaller than what you think it is. So I'm going to start the bike up here. So this actually happened due to petrol leak. So I changed the hose. As you can see, there's a new hose in there. This is the reason why you have to change your hose when the hose gets cracked. So I have the old indicator lenses packed up in a cover. So let us start this thing. So I'll play the indicators. The bike is already warmed up. So here you go, this indicator. That's in the front. Looks like an RD. And this is the back. And the opposite side, this is the back. Bye bye. Please like, share, subscribe and comment this video. Hope all you came for RX100 watches this video and hits a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, as most of you guys are not subscribed.